Now we are continuing with the economics chapter 2, people as resource, and we are taking the subtopic unemployment. Now, what does this term unemployment means? Unemployment means when the people are willing to work, when the people who are willing to work but they are unable to find the jobs. People willing to work, people willing to work willing to work at the going wages, means at the current wages provided to them, current rate of wages being provided to them at the going wages, but they are unable to find the work, but they are unable to find the work. So we can say that unemployment is a condition where people are willing to work at the going wages but they are unable to find work, they cannot find work. This is unemployment. वो काम तो करना चाहते हैं, people are willing to work, they want to have work but they are unable to get the work. And this unemployment is of two types. One is seasonal and another is disguised. Seasonal unemployment and disguised unemployment. Seasonal unemployment takes place when there is no work in particular season, no work in particular seasons. Seasons of the year, like while growing rice, growing certain crops or certain crops, people find work during some months of the year, and for the rest of the months they are unemployed. On the other hand, disguised unemployment is the condition when people are actually working. In disguised unemployment, people are working, they appear to be working, but actually more people are working in an area than the required people. You can understand it better with the help of an example. Suppose there is a family and it has 8 members. All right. Now they have a small farm and all the 8 members are working within this small farm. So but the actual requirement, the farm has there is actual requirement of only 5 members in this farm to grow crops during the year. Then but 3 more members are working. Requirement, the farm requires only 5 people to work, there is requirement of only 5 people to work in this farm, but actually 8 people are working. So if the 3 members move to some other work, then also the production, there is no loss in the production doesn't suffer, there is no difference in the amount of crops or the yield produced. So in this farm 3 extra members are working, so these 3 members appear to be employed, they are working, they are employed, but actually they are unemployed. They are working, they are reducing the work of these 5 members, but actually they are unemployed. So the unemployment of these 3 members is known as disguised unemployment. They are not actually, they are not visibly unemployed, but they are actually disguised unemployed. So this is the difference between seasonal and disguised unemployment. Sometimes seasonal unemployment takes place in factories also, like in factories which make woolen clothes, the factories which make cotton clothes. These factories don't run throughout the year. If the factories which make sweaters and the woolen clothes employ members, labor for 6 months only, mostly 6 to 8 months only, and rest of the year the people who work in these factory are unemployed. And disguised unemployment, where more people are working than the required members or required people, the more than the actually required people. So the extra people are known as disguised, they are categorized under this disguised unemployment. They are not actually unemployed, they are not